When you first buy a flash, you might notice that when you take a lot of photographs, every now and then one comes out dark or really underexposed. To understand what's going on, you need to know about recycle times and how the flash works. When you first turn on your flash, it uses the power of the batteries to charge up a capacitor inside that flash head. When it's ready, it should have a light on the back that comes on, and sometimes there'll also be a beep from the flash to let you know that the flash is ready to be fired. You don't need to know what a capacitor is or how it works, but it's basically a device that stores and can build up electrical energy, and the recycle time is the time it takes for the batteries to charge up that capacitor, so it has enough energy for the next time that you press that shutter button. If you take a photo before the capacitor has charged up, the flash won't fire, and this is where you will get that dark frame. Now when you drop the power of your flash, this recycle time will shorten, and in knowing this, you can make a few changes in your settings and with the flash to have a much quicker recycle time when needed. If you widen the aperture, this will let in more flashlight, which in turn will allow you to drop that flash power. If you move your flash closer to the subject, this will also allow you to drop the power of the flash. And lastly, if you increase the ISO, this will also allow you to drop that flash power as well. You might find that your flash keeps up with the amount of photos you are taking when you have fresh batteries in that flash. But after a certain point, it starts to lag, giving you more of those dark frames. And it also starts to take longer before the flash is ready to take another photograph. This is due to the batteries running low. The less power in the batteries, the longer your recycle time will be. Another thing to take into consideration is how much battery power does your flash have. If, like the TT350, it only takes 2 AA batteries, it will take a lot longer to recycle and it won't fire as many full power flashes. Whereas the 8200 has a big lithium-ion battery, so as well as being more powerful at full power, it will have a much faster recycle time for a given amount of flash power. Therefore, it's good to know the recycle time for your flash, so you can either work around it when shooting, kind of waiting for it to fill back up, or you can manipulate your settings to actually have a shorter recycle time. Now, if you haven't already watched my flash photography beginners tutorial, click on this video next. Or if you want to binge watch a load of different flash photography tutorials I've already done, click down here. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe for weekly tutorials in photography. I'll see you next time.